Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make smooth movement of objects with motion blur in Premiere Pro. So I already have some clips on my timeline here. Go to Effects and let's search for Transform. Drag the transform effect to the object that you want to animate. And once you've done that, select that clip and go to Effect Controls. Scroll down and go to the Transform section and make sure that you are at the start of the object or your clip and click on the stopwatch icon beside the position to toggle the animation. We uncheck this use compositions, shutter angle, and let's set the shutter angle to 360. Once you have done that, we are going to adjust the position and we are going to get the object out of the frame like that, and we are going to move ahead by around 15 frames. And we are going to reset the position of our object so that it goes back to the center. And that will also create a new keyframe. After that, highlight your keyframes, right click on it, and go to temporal interpolation and select ease in. And let's preview how it looks like. That looks good, but we can still make it smoother. I'm just going to zoom in on the keyframes. And we are going to expand the position by clicking on this arrow icon beside it. And these blue handles should pop up. Now we can pull the blue handles toward the center like this one, drag it to the bottom and to the center, and the other one as well, so that it creates a peak like this. And we preview it, this is what it looks like. And that is how you can basically make smooth movement of objects with motion blur in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.